In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate affirmation cards in Canva using ChatGPT and bulk create. This is a simple workflow that helps you turn a list of positive quotes into a full set of ready-to-sell card designs much faster than creating each one manually. If you want to save time and keep your designs consistent, this method is a great option. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 30 short daily positive affirmation quotes in a CSV ready table format with two columns, number and affirmation. The reason this format matters is because Canva's bulk create tool works best when your content is organized clearly in columns. Keeping the quotes short is also important, since shorter affirmations usually fit better on cards and are easier to read at a glance. Once the quotes are generated, copy the output and save it as a CSV file. You can name the file something simple, like affirmations CSV. Make sure the formatting stays clean when you save it, because Canva will use that file to pull in the text automatically. If anything looks off, such as missing columns or broken rows, fix that before uploading. A clean CSV file will make the next steps much smoother. Next, open Canva and search for an affirmation card template. You can choose an existing template or create your own base design from scratch. The key thing is to make sure your layout includes a text box where the affirmation will appear. Try to choose a design that has enough space for different quote lengths, even if most of them are short. This helps prevent text from looking crowded or uneven across the final set. After your base design is ready, go to the left sidebar in Canva, click Apps, and select Bulk Create. From there, upload your CSV file. This is the step where Canva reads your spreadsheet and prepares your quote data for automatic placement into the design. Now connect the data to your design. Right-click the card text, click Connect Data, and choose the field that contains your affirmation text. This tells Canva exactly where each quote should go. Once that's connected, click Generate Pages. Canva will then automatically create 30 separate card pages using the quotes from your CSV file. At this point, you'll have a full batch of affirmation cards generated from one template. Before exporting, take a moment to quickly review the pages for spacing, alignment, and readability. Once everything looks good, your cards are ready for the next stage of packaging or selling. That's the full process, and it's one of the easiest ways to create a polished product efficiently.